Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. If you're looking to add some warmth and ambitions to your backyard, why not try the building your own dye gas fire pit tables? In this video, you can see that different amazing the best fire pit tables ideas for you and your sweet's home and backyard also. It's a perfect addition for the outdoors gathering or cozy night under the stars. There are a variety of designs you can choose from to fit your styles and space. From the sleek and the moderns to the rustic and the traditional, the options are endless. One popular designs you can see that the multiple designs you can plan for your backyard. Yeah, you can see that in the square or rectangular tables with a built-in fire pit in the center. This not only provides a focal point for your outdoor space, but also doubles as functional tables for the drink and the snacks. Another option is a round table with a fire pit in the middle. This design is a great for the creating a more intimate setting, perfect for the roastings and the amazing sharing stories around the fire. No matter which designs you choose, be sure to use the high quality materials that can withstand the heat of the fire pit. And always remember to follow the safety guidelines when working with the gas and fire. With the dye gas fire pit tables, you can enjoy the cozy warmth of a fire right in your own backyard. So grab your tools and get ready to transform your outdoor space into relaxing retreat. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and comment, and you can share this video. In this video, you can get the ideas the best fire pit table design for your backyards. The different amazing materials are used for making a fire pit or your outdoor space. And the outdoor gas fire pit build a different amazing styles. You can see that the stylish fire pits for your backyards you can easily made at your home, because materials you must be gathered and tools you must have for making a fire pit